in Braunschweig lives the new pride of the city. Germany's winningest team. They win over and over again. These are the Lions. In the Narashino, facing the rising sun, they take flight and soar, just like they have done it 9 times in Japan. These are the Seagulls.
Welcome to the new game in town, the World Football League.
Brandon Gaudin and Charles Davis, thrilled to be with you from the Broad. The children will groan. It's the final weekend of summer, but we've got the NFL, and we're underway on EA Sports. Fielded about a yard deep. And this return net's positive. He gets past the 25 and up to the 27-yard line. And they will
exhibiting some leadership. That's what he's trying to accomplish.
They'll start on the ground with Kelly. Breaks the tackle now at Allen. He's at the 50, the 40, 30. Touchdown to strike first here on their opening drive. Well, they said they wanted about that one to start the game.
And I would say on the defensive sideline, there's a lot to answer for. Because you spend all week saying, stop the run. I don't care who you're playing. You don't want to get run over. You don't want...
The extra point splits the uprights, and that makes the score 7-0. Drew that play up to score, but it scored indeed. One play on the ground and into the end zone. Set now to kick this one away, and off it goes. This is fielded a couple yards deep. And he'll wind up getting an extra couple yards here for his trouble.
To see the exact same thing happen in practice.
He's so
and stay in sync in this one.
Yeah. They'll try and start this drive in the air. And a quick throw here, that's complete.
Touchdown, you know, I mean, we're just getting started here. It should be a long way to go. You think to yourself, stick with the game plan, all the things you worked on in practice.
Here's the 2nd and 7. Wide open receiver complete. And he's brought to the ground. Now, here's a 1st and 10 at the 40. Some motion before the snap. And this will be our first penalty of the night's proceedings. 1st and 15. They'll run it now out of the gun. And a good burst there right from the start as he'll get this one out near the 30. And to give this time to the tailback. And this time the yards won't come so easy as they'll in fact tackle it. They're going to look to throw. And the Chargers rush is going to get there. Down he goes.
Pressure can come from all over on the outside.
Back deep here with his first punt.
Wow, a run of that length, that's just not being prepared. So now, are they determined? Are they ready to read their keys and make the proper plays?
And we'll see how this mask. Certainly looked like it. Indeed, here come the flags. Especially when you factor in the personal foul yardage. Goff now looking to throw. Escaping the pressure right. And he'll get up to the 43-yard line. On second down now. It's Caleb. And he'll work it across midfield inside. Off play action. Here's Goff. Intercepted. Picked off at the 13. And a great return as he's up close to the 40-yard line.
Don't throw this way.
Well, certainly not how he wanted to start his night. First throw of the game, an INT.
Yeah, it's not easy, but he's got to try and wipe that one away from the memory banks. And let's face it, defensive back have a lot in common. But one thing, because they have these individual type plays, they've got to have short memories, don't they? DB gets beat, wipe it away, quarterback throws a pick, has to do the same thing.
Zone offense now as they get set to take over. They punted last time they had it. What steps, Charles, you think they have to take to make sure they don't do that again?
Well, let's just go to the football 101, the trade expression 101.
They'll come out throwing here to start the drive. And he'll take this to the other side of midfield. Here's a play fake as they set up to throw. He's got his man on the crossing route. And they're able to work this to the 25 before it's up on first down. They'll set up a throw. Oh, he's got a man wide open, complete. He'll head out of bounds inside. It's first and goal. He'll look to throw. And nearly picked off. Surprising to see a defender hit
it into 6 points for his own team.
And a short pickup there down to about the 9.
Than you'd expect to see here in the red zone, but it winds up getting him a few yards.
They'll try and set up the screen. It's complete. They're able to hold him to 3 there, and that leads to a 4th and goal.
You better get in the weight room, son. I'm too strong out here. Too big for you.
They dialed up the screen pass on 3rd down, and for a second it looked like it was all going to come together, and they had a chance to pick up a first down, but the defense got there and finished it off.
Cliff Kingsbury here on 4th down, trots out the field goal unit. From the right hash here, should be an easy one. And his kick is right there. It's good.
But that feels a whole lot better running off the field.
This is fielded at the goal line. He's up past the 20 to the 22-yard line. Ready for their next drive. From the shotgun now, here's an inside give. So a nice job to break the 1 tackle, but not much.
I call that play a success. A nice inside run sets up a very manageable 2nd down. A very solid gain on that play.
Oh, a design run for their wideout. on third down. Here's Goff. This pass complete to Reynolds. And he'll be taken down, but not before the...
And you can't be, because if you back off after throwing an interception, your whole game plan just goes right out the window, and it makes things easier for a defense. And you and I both know there's a quarterback in this league that's any good that doesn't throw an interception occasionally.
10 at the 49-yard line. Now it's gone. And this one complete to Virgil Green. And past the 35, he'll be dropped a yard or two. From the shotgun now, here's an inside give. Give him 5 on the carry there.
Second down, a very solid gain on that play.
From the 27, Goff. Open man right side is Cup, complete. They'll try and run for it with Kelly. And he will have a first down at about the 21. They'll run with Kelly. And this will be a gain of 6 when it's all set.
This 100-yard night. I've loved the way he's hit the holes. He's been quick. He's been decisive. And he's been a whole lot of fun to watch.
And he is caught at the 7-yard line.
Him throw it around with that type of confidence reminds me of a guy I played with way back when who told me, I don't care if I throw 10 interceptions in a row. I'm going to
skin and goal. Back to throw. Goff. Flush to his right. And this is going to be a Charger touchdown. A 3-yard lead.
But this was a pass all the way. Wait. Oh, it's open. Time to hot-foot it and go. And boy, was he successful.
Yeah, didn't go to the outside toward the pylon, just straight ahead, middle third of the field.
Shortest distance between 2 points.
And this one's right through to make it a 14-3 ball. The kickoff unit is out on the field, and they will send this one away. This fielded a few yards into the end zone. Some might have returned that one. He won't. Here to go as they take the field. And last time they got 3 points, but it was a chip shot field goal. And when you go to the sideline after a chip shot field goal, maybe the offense not too happy. Points.
And in this league, you take points when you can get them. Not easily done.
They'll come out throwing here on first down. Chargers able to get the pressure and bring him down. Denzel Perryman. It'll go as a loss of about 8 as he gets in there to drop him. And he'll have our EA Sports halftime report. He'll look to throw. Wide open receiver complete. 19 yards to pick up there. Move the chains. He'll drop to throw. Throwing left side here, and it's complete. And getting the gain 13 yards that time at another first down.
It certainly feels like there are more stars at the tight end position than there were even 10 years ago. And I think it's become more of a glamour position because of the ways it can hurt the line of scrimmage to go across the middle. You put it all together, you got a heck of a tight end candidate.
Oh, he's got a man wide open, complete. 1st and 10. Inside the red zone here, they'll look to throw. And he's got it. And he couldn't. Back to throw. And he's got his man. It's caught in the end zone. Touchdown. A 1-yard touchdown reception. As his guys are back within a single score.
I think everyone in the league, no matter whether it's a quarter, a half, a game, a series, whatever, but they're finishing the first half in fine style, putting that one in the end zone.
They did, and they didn't leave much time on the clock either. Well, and he's got it. That cuts the lead. It's now 4. So that drives 7 plays in length. And it winds up at a the lead cut to just first 4 as they kick it away and turn things over to their D. This will be taken in at the 1. And a nice return sets him up pretty good here at the 30-yard line. A look at the running back, the man out of the backfield as he gears up to go again. He's already cruised past the 100-yard mark. We haven't even gone away for halftime yet.
Excellent. The blocking's been terrific, and obviously his vision and legs have hurdled him to this big number so far. We could...
Goff now to throw. Throw left side, complete to cut. On 1st and 10, Goff. And that will be incomplete.
4 yards or more on 1st down is what you're aiming for. They tried to throw for it there. Nice effort to knock that one away and bring up 2nd down.
Reynolds with a catch out on the right side. And he goes down, but not before getting this inside the 25. The catch and run, good for 24 yards. From the right hash, it's a 41-yard attempt. And his kick here is good. So we have reached halftime. Both teams appear ready for the fight ahead, and we resume action here in quarter number 3. That's fielded in the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes out to the 25-yard. Offense now as they get set to start this 3rd quarter. They're close game, but they're going to need to do a little bit better probably here in half 2, no?
There, just not playing as well as we need to. Let's pick it up, and we still have a chance to win this game.
Yeah, they do. We'll see if they can pick it up. A 1st down run, good for about.
I'm going to follow right along with you because the spot they're in now is a credit to their defense. They've kept them in it by making the plays that they've made, and that just means
they'll run it now out of the gun. Slipped one tackle, but no more as he's knocked to the 2nd and 11. Nowhere to escape, and he goes down.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it.
3rd and long situations. They just took another sack right there.
And the offensive film section tomorrow may be a little longer than it normally is.
Not a lot of positive grades will be handed out.
We got 4.
They'll look to throw here. Now he'll dump it underneath to his running back, complete. And he gets this only to the 41, not near enough. Punter now, as he'll punt it away for the 2nd time. And that hits at the offense. They get ready for their first possession of the 2nd half. They were able to get the ball back. Didn't surrender any points. Now they'll look
The ball back over. They want to do their part now and show them a little respect and some gratitude by scoring some points.
and to get a little more cushion. Just what you want on a first.
Pick up a nice solid gain. The disadvantage of blitzing often alters the normal spacing and run fits and leaves creases like they were able to exploit right there.
And he'll get it up to the 33. On 1st down, Kelly. He'll get about 4 as he's past the 35 to the 38-yard line. At this point, going to make that defense stand up and stop him. They'll go again with Kelly. Fights through and now a crease. There he goes, right side. And all the way in for a Charger touchdown. DeTrez Newsome, his 2nd touchdown of the night. But now starting to pull away a little bit, get some breathing room with that one.
And I don't want people to think that NFL locker rooms are cookie cutter, that everyone's saying the exact same thing in every situation. But I do know that all 32 teams, big score to start the 2nd half.
Point after, right down the middle. And the lead now up to 4. The last play, a really nice run that culminated in the touchdown. The kickoff team on the field now as they will send this one away. That'll be taken in the end zone. And he won't return this one. He'll go down to a knee, and they'll start at the 25. It's now as they get set to take over. And down on the scoreboard, certainly needing to avoid what happened on the last drive.
That's how they have to treat this drive.
They need points.
Big time.
Here's a run on first down that won't even get back to the line. They'll run it now out of the gun. Fights him off. Nowhere to go that time. Might have got
touches for him to make an impact on this game and on the stat sheet as well.
Wide open receiver complete. And they work this well upfield across completion 15 of 16. It's first down. And he'll give it here to his running back. And an alley to run. Oh, he breaks a tackle and he's got an alley. A great play there. 54 yards as his guys are.
You say earlier, my man, you said one big play away from getting back in this game. And guess what? There it was.
Yeah, we talked about it, that despite the scoreline, they were that close on the road, and boom, there you go.
Well,
he's got it, and it's 24-17. So that drive, 4 plays, and a pretty good run there in this game back within a touchdown now as the kickoff's away. This is fielded a couple yards deep. And getting set to go again as we look at the back heading onto the field again. He's closing in on 200 yards on the ground with the fourth quarter still to come. We're in the third. Good shot to get
there's a tendency to think about getting him out and saving some of it. Running backs never like to save yardage.
You know he's tapping his quarterback on the
is break the game down a little bit. Don't let your guys see too deep into the game, into the future, and say, oh, we got to get here. No, right here, right in front of them. Let the clock down, get to the fourth quarter, try and keep going.
And try to keep that lead.
Exactly.
15 yards on the play, first down.
We use the word relentless a lot with guys who are aggressive on the field. In this case, it really fits, doesn't it? How about his ability to break tackles and his feet never stop moving?
They'll run on first down. It's Kelly. And able to break one tackle, but then quickly as they come to the line, they will not be able to get off another play as time has run out on this third quarter. This is the 2nd and 7. Running right with Kelly. And he'll fight his way forward to about the 48. From the gun, here's Goff. That's taken in, complete to Reynolds. On first down, it's Kelly. Fights loose. He's brought down at the 34. Call it a gain of 4.
Lead things out at this point, right? Continue to possess the football, gain some yardage, and put the onus on the defense. Do they have to use timeouts? What are they going to do to stop you? You're taking charge. These guys are running offense like you drive. How about that? Back-to-back completions. They are rolling.
So much for being conservative and running that football. They'll run the end around. This is Cooks. Still on his feet. And I think this defense knew what was coming as he is smothered behind the line. It's a loss of a yard there, and it's 2nd down. Strong drive. Here's 2nd and 11. Here's Goff. That is caught at the 7-yard line. And stopped a few yards shy of the goal. They'll try and run it in with Brown. And he is going to lose yardage here. A full 5-yard loss that time. It's going to make second down pretty tough. Gone. And that's going to be knocked away in the end zone. It's one of the bigger plays in the game thus far. The crowd getting into it as we come up on a big third. And they're going to get him. They bring him down to the sack back at the 16-yard line. And his kick is good. And that will push the lead out as the kickoff unit as they run up and send this one away. This fielded a few yards into the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes. They'll look to throw. Going to throw right side here, complete. And they've got it well across. Mays off to the tune of 35 yards.
I know we love our jobs, and pretty much any play we see, we're pretty, excited about. But big plays, let's
pumped from the sideline after that catch. They're fired out. That's a big game.
And we see another pitch and catch there to the running back. This position.
They'll drop to throw. Now a desperation throw deep downfield. And it's knocked away. And as expected, they're going for it to keep the drive alive. He's going to let it fly. And he knocks the ball away, and it falls incomplete. They had to go for it with such little time. They'll run on first down. Callan. Well, I think this one's going to be a face mask. And now it's 1st and 10. A big mistake, especially when you factor in the personal foul yardage. He's got a first down and much more inside the 20. And now here's a sneak, maybe looking to run a little. Just about all 11, probably crashing the line here. And they'll try and burn some clock with a sneak. Only a yard.
Try that again. Go play action. Hit him over the top.
And now here's a sneak, maybe looking to run a little time. And he's going to come up the opponents off the scoreboard.
Everyone wants to pitch a shutout for the entire game, but when you throw one in the fourth quarter, that tells everyone that you're getting stronger and dominance is starting to take over, right? The way that you close, the way that you finish, that gets preached to you from the time you're playing Little League football all the way up through. And they closed them out with a big-time performance down the stretch.